What's up, guys? So I brought the 86 S-10 to work. So I want to mess with it for sure. What I want to do today is give it a rinse. But I'm talking about like the frame and inside the fender wells. There's a lot of dirt in there, a lot of grime. So I want to just start by cleaning that up, both sides. Yes, this was a farm truck. There's a whole bunch of dirt everywhere. I might try to take the seat off today, but I'm actually running kind of low on time. I might have to do this video like 2 parts today and then record again tomorrow. And I think, yeah, tomorrow I'll take off the seat and vacuum the carpet. One thing I always do when I buy a car, I try to put some of these on. These things smell good. If anybody knows what that is, comment on the video. I don't know what it is. It kind of smells like, I want to say kind of like paint thinner. I don't know if that's what like kerosene kind of smells like, but that was behind the seat. And so when I was driving it home, it was back here, and I didn't know it was back here. So I'm driving it home, and I'm like, man, I smell something. I don't know if it's gas or what. I'm like, kind of smells like paint thinner. So I'm like searching. I'm like, man, I wonder if something's wet. Maybe the guy dripped it or something. And then for some reason, I'm like, you know what? Let me see what's behind here. And sure enough, the bottle was right there. It was leaking. Took it out. So I don't know what that is. It smells a lot like paint thinner. But anyway, that's why I bought the air fresheners, because there's still a little bit of smell lingering in here. So I want to put that on here and just smell better. Yeah, let me get started before I run out of time, because we usually close at 6. It's already, let me see, it's 4:25. So, but you know, today's Tuesday. I usually leave early on Tuesdays to go play some basketball. So I actually have like an hour, less than an hour, to just try to clean up some of that gunk on there. Kind of hard to tell, but some of it did get cleaned up. Not a lot, because this kind of looks like bed liner in a way. But if you look at the floor, look how dirty it is. So some of it is coming off. Not as much as I wanted to. So let me show you this side. I feel like this one might clean up better. Yeah, for sure, this side cleaned up more. Look at all the dirt. I really want to coat that frame because it looks ugly. Once it dries up, it's gonna look brownish. Yeah, it looks ugly. I might need to take it to a car wash and do like pressure washing on that, because that can come off, but not all of it, just like parts of it. I'm gonna try to do the front. Much here though, but I really want to do the back because that's where you can see it more. But you know what, I do plan on dropping the truck. I'm not sure if doing like a 2-3 drop, 3-5 maybe. I'm not sure. I'm not sure on the drop. So these are 14-inch wheels. I want to do 17s. These are too small. Unless I find some really nice, like 2001, 2002 S-10. They have these cool little, you know, no way. It came out in 96. The S-10. 94, 95, 96, 97, and 98. Only those years the S10 came out. If you don't know what I'm talking about, just Google it. It's a pretty rare truck. And they have some like 5-spoke wheels that kind of look like Texas editions. And if I find those, I might want to put them on this one. But I think for today, that's it. It's already gonna be 5:30. I'm about to head out. So tomorrow I'll try to take off the seat, vacuum it. Alright, so today is day 2. I'm gonna take the seat off and I'm gonna just take the carpet off and wash it here. It's not expensive, but I'd rather just keep this one as original as I can and just wash it. But the seat, I do need to get it reupholstered. The cheapest I did find was $450. So it's kind of steep because this little truck is just like a little beater. But it is what it is. I know prices are getting higher and more expensive on all kinds of stuff like materials and foam maybe. So just have to pay that. I brought my Sierra. After so long that it's been sitting. That's Juanito right there.
It's good, y'all. It's good, y'all.
That's his truck. You want to talk about your truck, or you still camera shy?
Ain't much to say. I mean,
What year is it?
it's an 04 Silverado. You already know. Replica 22s on it.
TBSS, polished wheels. I always like these polished wheels.
Yeah.
Yeah. Siempre me gustaban esos.
Well, we gotta get cleaned up though, so don't look at it too much.
Let's focus. Yep. Needs a cleaning. We did some headlights on it. Yeah, I think a few months now that we did the headlights on it.
Y'all gotta buy headlights on it. Best headlights I ever bought. I'm a lawyer.
Turn them on real quick.
Gotcha.
Got the SS bumper on it. You need to redo your bow tie. Oh, it's silver or what is it? Your bow tie.
Yeah, we'll just paint it. Got repainted and everything.
And what size dropper do you have on it?
If it was a 5.7 and 4.6, I wrote it down somewhere, but I gotta look through it. It's been too long, man.
5.7 or 4.6.
It's a work truck, so I'm expecting, it's a guy with his guy. It ain't slow though, so if y'all trying to race.
Hey, prendela.
Hey, if it don't start on the first one, don't tell me.
Bro, you're burning all types of oil. Like cuando dicen que si quema, like si quema aceite.
Yeah, posse all the way.
I forgot you got the toe lights here too.
Tail light and the brake light.
Yeah.
We gotta show the road trip. That's the beauty right there.
Well, it's been on videos before, and it's been parked since like before COVID started. I think maybe the last time I used it was in 2020, but I did miss driving it. It's been a long time. Finally got insurance on it, that's why.
You can get the sticker though, I ain't gonna lie.
Nah, we ride dirty around here, man. It's 2019. We stay riding dirty. For sure, I need to do my HD front end. I have it. I've been having it for 3 years. I just haven't put it on. So that's gonna be coming up.
And the detail,
Yeah, for sure it needs a detail. And I'll probably change out the headlights. I might do like some clear ones, all clear ones instead. I do need to clean these wheels. Yeah, I remember this viejito I had here polishing my wheels one time. Well, he's not available anymore. So I'm gonna have to find somebody. Maybe this guy will do it. Teach this guy how to clean wheels.
Man, show the brand on it, bro. Show the brand on it, bro. Damn, man.
Hey, bro, were you raised in the streets or what?
Like 4 acre homes over there. In what area? They're wondering, this is my first time seeing the truck in person. I'm like, oh, I just like, just let them hear it once.
Like, can you tell it's been sitting with all the leaves and little branches? Hey, bro, don't be touching my truck like that. You don't know her like that.
My bad, bro.
Look, you think it moves a little bit? Try this truck. Like, do that. Like, jump on that bumper. Look at that.
Pinche trampolín.
No trae shocks, buenos, ya no sirven. Y a lo mejor los muelles ya también están gastados.
I know that reminds me of Mexico right here.
Hey, this is Mexico, bro. It's a farm truck. Yeah, today's project, cleaning up that carpet. Alright, so I removed all the bolts that hold the seat in place. Just the tricky part was getting in there because it is kind of tight. Now, let me see if I can show you guys taking it off. Definitely looks like a farm truck with all this nasty stuff in here. Let me try to make this a little bit clearer. There's glass here, so they probably broke into this truck at some point in time. I don't know if it's this window or this one that was replaced. Can't tell. But yeah, there's glass here, so most likely this truck was broken into, or maybe they loaded up something in the back and it hit the window and broke it. Who knows? Time to vacuum this up, and I'm gonna try to remove it. Got this good old top back. Okay, so basically this side is done already. Took off the kick panel, the seal plate, and this plate right here, the pillar. I'm gonna just call it pillar, post, plastic, whatever. Well, the tricky part was here, on that side. Well, both sides. I'm gonna show you why. Because I was trying to figure out how to take this off. I seen these rivets on here on the other side, so I drilled them out. Nothing. And I was yanking on it, and there's a base to this, and I broke it. And I'm like, man, how can I take this off? So I'm like, maybe the screw's underneath. And sure enough, there's a screw there. But it wasn't aligning with this, so I removed the seal here, and there's a bolt right there. Well, it's the same bolt, it's right there, but I couldn't see it because there was so much dirt. It was caked up all around there, so I had to start like digging around there, and then I finally saw it, and I was able to take it out. So if you guys are trying to remove this, if you have an S-10, you want to remove your carpet, there's a screw right there. That's the bolt that I was talking about. Here you can see it. It's not as bad as the other side. Now everything's removed. The seat belts, the kick panel, the seals. Now just to remove this dirty old carpet. There you have it. That's the carpet. So to clean the carpet, I'm gonna use some OxyClean, the powder type, and then I brought me one of those pods, a Tide pod or whatever, just in case. So I'm gonna try rinsing it first, then I'll put some powder on it and scrub it, and maybe try that at the end, and then rinse again and scrub again. So I'm gonna call it a day. Already scrubbed it. I used the OxyClean on it, and tons of dirt came out, like a lot of dirt. And I'm not surprised that maybe like 2 or 3 pounds of dirt came out because it was so much of it. Just gonna let it sit overnight, and I think tomorrow we should be having some sunlight here, so that should help it dry up quicker. Also washed one of the seat belts. I vacuumed the inside. Looks pretty naked in here, especially because I don't have a headliner. That's it for today.